Okay, so here we are with Gary Goldberg in front of the new intelligent line system. Can you tell us a little bit about that, Gary?
Yeah, Trevor, thanks for coming. So Promation developed a line control platform, a base system basically, that allows existing equipment owners to streamline their manufacturing operations and conveying systems, but the system is still highly adaptable to all of the standards, Hermes, IPC, so forth, so on, until a final configuration is made. So we kind of put this base system into place that allows for both cascading and all line change, as well as job function, which will be PCB count, and control of all of your other conveyor functions from a single point of entry.
Right, okay. So basically it will work with all the future standards that are coming down, but it works without any middleware at the moment as a manual system just now.
That's correct. It's still SMEMA based. We do have a different network based system that follows the next generation protocol, so to speak. And this is an IP system linked where all the conveyors talk to each other, talk to a central point. In your manufacturing line here, we can still add in your non-conveyorized screen printer, pick and place reflow ovens. So you see the entire factory setup, but we're just really controlling and changing all of the conveyor systems to a particular configuration. I'll give you an example. For job one, we may have a heavily thermal challenged board that requires additional cooling before AOI. And through this particular interface, we can set the board width, length, PCB count, and say we want it to be a first in, first out, but we want to hold and cool the board for a minute before we release it. So all of that is available through this front-end interface.
So you would program or set up each job here with that configuration, length, width, what speed it had to go down the line, any dwell time, and then you'd set up each job individually. So then once that job was finished, job two would automatically adjust all the rails.
Yes, that's essentially correct. Because it is still a non-network system, we're going to make the operator now come over and select the next job, and then our systems are going to make them verify the screen's been changed, the proper feeders are in place, the reflow oven is a proper profile just on the first board. And so it's kind of a fail-safe system. Once they've manually verified that operation has been done, then the continuation of the PCB count for that job will be completed, and then they'll have the option to go back in and select another job while the production line is still completing job one.
So let's have a look in or a demonstration at how this works.
Yeah.
So Gary, we're starting the line now. Explain to me what's happening here.
Okay, Trevor. Well, again, there's two modes of operation for this system. One is an all-line change, which allows the operator a single point of entry to select the new width, the board count, and any other customer special features of each conveyor down the line. When that job is loaded and the last board count has been met, the operator can then change to cascade mode, which is select job B, so to speak, input that, load the boards in a destacker, and when the last board of job A leaves the next conveyor, the conveyor automatically adapts and adjusts to the new job, and the boards cascade down the line. Again, designed for existing customers who want to improve efficiency, who want to take advantage of a single point of entry instead of having multiple operators trying to adjust width by hand. That's what this system is for, and then again, fully adaptable to next generation 4.0, whatever that's going to end up being.
Of course, there's a few options on the table for that at the moment, but very versatile and a great new product.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining us today.